In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Squad Busters on Android. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Play Store on your Android device and head over to the search section to be able to click on the search field. And on the search field, go ahead and enter Squad Busters to be able to find the Squad Busters application on the platform. Now in here, go ahead and click on Squad Busters and click on install to be able to start installing the app on your device. So as you can see in here, Squad Busters is an application under Supercell, which is actually the company for Brawl Stars and Clash Royale. So after you have the app installed on your device, go ahead and open the app on your device to be able to set up your account on the device. So since this application is under Supercell, you are required to connect your Supercell ID on the app to be able to get the most out of the application and save your progress on Supercell. And that's how you can simply download Squad Busters on Android. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.